You are looking at a nut and bolt rotisserie restored 1957 Chevy Bel Air two-door hardtop. This car has been completely and professionally restored to a very high degree. Options include the 283 powerpack with the correct FC code on the engine block, 4-barrel with power steering. It has power brakes. It has vintage air conditioning, which has been added, of course. As well as the Wonderbar radio has been converted to an AM and FM unit, and 3 speakers, as well as a generator has been converted to a 12-volt system. So the car features brand new wide whites, spinner hubcaps, fully detailed engine compartment, fully detailed trunk, all new everything done to the highest degree. And with that, I'll let the pictures speak for themselves. Everything on this car is new, all new glass, all new door panels, everything painted, polished dashboard, everything done to high quality standards throughout the entire vehicle. Even the dome light works. Yes, those do close over the windows properly. Sorry for the noise. Got a baler coming to take some hay off the property, so he will be making some noise as he drives by. Timing just is everything, isn't it? This hood closes very easily. That's all that takes. As you can see, the detail is in the details. The side skirts, of course, come off. You can see the quality of the paint and bodywork. It is excellent throughout. Fit and finish are as good as you can expect of any original type restoration of a all-metal 57 Chevy. There is one tiny little ding on the entire car. And of course it's right here where my finger is. Hard to see, unfortunately. Maybe you can see it there. That's it. The rest of the car is scratch free. It is dent free. It is rust free. It is paint chip free. It is a beautiful, beautiful car.